Hey, what is up, guys? Random Assassin 88 here, and today, well, I'm doing a short little video for you because I'm on a time schedule here. I'll try and post the next Assassin's Creed Brotherhood video that as soon as I can, but here's what I'm going to do, okay? I found this fidget spinner. It's broken, but it doesn't matter. It's going to serve the purpose. It's going to serve the purpose. Alright, that's better. Okay, so missing a bearing and it's missing this thing. So let's see if you can see that. You see that bridge? Yeah, I'm gonna walk up there. I'm gonna throw this fidget spinner. In the water. From the bridge. So I'll pause the video here and I'll check back with you here in a minute. Alright. Okay, peeps. I'm heading up towards the bridge now. Now, this is gonna be a lot of ground shots because I don't wanna show anyone's license plate, so here we go. Okay. Here's the stairs. Here's the road. Come on. Let's go. Okay. That right there is the water. And I find these things extremely overdone, so we're getting rid of one. Almost there. 3 minutes. Hurry. Three, two, one. Now, I'm not going to hold my phone directly over the water, you know, like that, because I don't want to drop my phone in there. But yeah, it went in. Okay, alright. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And as always, stay random.